Hello everyone, just delay. It's Wangmo. Welcome to my channel. I have been at home for more than 40 days due to the COVID-19 in Lhasa, Tibet, China. So today I want to share with you an interesting game called Shu in Tibetan language, which is a Tibetan dice game. And in my hometown, I will usually play it with my family members, which is a very suitable game for family parties to play. So first of all, I'd like to give you a brief introduction about the Tibetan dice game. As one of the traditional Tibetan folk entertainment games, the dice game plays a significant role in the daily life of our Tibetan. It is not only a competitive activity to contest the wisdom of people, but also a recreation and fun activity. The main game tools are a pair of dice, a wooden ball, a circular leather cushion as a dice plate, Asian coins of the same shape and color as chips, a seashell or pebbles to count, and a dice pad made of smooth fabric or leather and playing the dice on it. Recently, I am alone at home, so I have been obsessed with playing that Tibetan dice game. Not about playing offline, but about playing online. I'm very happy that this Tibetan dice game can be also played online. It is very convenient. And there is usually 3 person, so you can choose your favorite figure. Okay, there are so many choices. And then if you are 1 person, you can set the other side as a robot and then play with you. 借你送行了，昨天结果就借，借你送洗就借洗，阿莫借你送行了出去。出一那茶，借你送行啊，借你送洗。I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. Uh-oh. My friend, she won. Look, she won, but I lost. Fine. If you have Tibetan dice game tools, you can play it with your family members or your friends. But if not, you can try playing it online. It is very convenient. And it's time to say goodbye to everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye. Just delay.